Hello, guys. Welcome back to Insomniac, the number two podcast in the world.
Today is a football themed episode, and we're going to talk about topics such as Euro 2020, the next World Cup, and Ronaldo versus Messi, and much more.
And as though guests compared to the normal three, which we have Rishit, the diehard Messi fan over here, and Hriday, the opposite to Rishit, the Ronaldo fan here. Hi, बोल दो
Yeah.
एक बार.
Hi people.
Hi guys, it's Rishit here.
We had
Hi
no
people,
idea.
it's Hriday here.
Totally no idea. Today's a very good day, by the way, isn't it, Arjun?
Uh,
Rishabh can finally not interrupt me because he has no shitty idea about football.
What do you mean? I know everything about football,
Rishabh will
yeah.
be silent.
Rishabh just gonna stay quiet today.
facts, Rishit.
Acha. Chalo, let's just get directly into the topic. So, one question for all of you: who do you think is the best club in the world? Actually, no, not best. What is your favorite club and favorite nation in the world for football, of course?
Bangladesh FC.
Why is Rishabh even doing this episode? I'm sorry. Do we need
Rishabh,
Rishabh?
why
Why
are
are
they
you
FC?
We just need to edit the podcast.
Let
That's it.
Rishabh go on. Let Rishabh
Bro,
go
don't
on.
worry, yaar. Bangladesh FC is the best club in the world, yeah. I know
Okay.
everything about
Okay,
it.
okay. Oh, okay. Best of favorite footballer.
Um, Messi is in Bangladesh, na?
Yeah, alug level.
White is Bangladesh. I've seen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Uh,
Rishit, who is your favorite?
So nation to obviously Argentina, and then club. Fine. I'll go with Chelsea.
Your favorite club is Chelsea.
Yeah, if I don't count Messi in, then Chelsea.
Okay. And in contrast, I also want to know what do you think is the best football nation and best football club?
Best football nation.
Yeah, matlab
Uh,
which?
right now, man, that's hard. Italy's performing really good, and England is also in big form. So Brazil. Yep, I'll go for Brazil.
Okay, Brazil.
Yep.
Hriday, what about you?
I feel the best club throughout football history has been Real Madrid. Uh, Over the recent years, they've not been so consistent, but I feel they will catch up. Best nation, um, I feel is Germany. I've always been a Germany fan. I feel they always play as a team. There's no certain solo hero in the lineup. So yeah.
Achha, so I have a question regarding you, Rishabh. Like recent years, Hriday, sorry, recent years, you said that Real Madrid haven't been performing, but recently they won the La Liga and they continuously won the UCL, 2016 से 2018 तक. So,
By
But I think
recently,
he's
by
matlab, chal,
recently, I
2-3 years
mean,
you're talking about. Ever since
yeah,
Ronaldo left or something like that, right?
yes, it's that they've not been as dominant as they've been before with Ronaldo.
All right.
It is very visible. The club has been suffering.
Right.
It is, and other clubs have been taking great advantage of it. But I'm quite sure that the club will get back up.
Okay, so is the best club also your favorite club and the same with the country?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Arjun, what about you?
My favorite club is Barcelona. I don't really know what's the best club because I don't really watch football that much, but I'm a part-time Messi fan, so
Part-time.
my favorite nation is Argentina.
Nice.
oh wow.
Yeah, Rishit, finally you got someone
Yeah,
for your
that was
support.
unbelievable.
Rishit, you're not
Okay.
alone now.
Yeah, that's really good.
The best nation in the world, according to me, right now is France. Although they performed poorly this Euro, it's just the World Cup. Everyone says na ki after World Cup it is that World Cup curse that happens, and that's actually has been a thing since Spain won, and then actually Italy जीती. They became 2010 में not इतना dominant. 2010 में Spain जीती. 2014 में they messed up. 2014 में Germany जीती. 2018 World
Yeah.
Cup में. So the World Cup curse has been there for this century, you can say, like 2000 say. That's been there. But yeah, and my favorite the best club right
Decade,
now,
not century.
no, it's century, na Rishabh. Century is 2000 to 2100.
21st century.
Never
Yeah.
mind, ignore.
Yeah, so apparently we really don't need you this podcast, Rishabh. Actually, you're just fooling yourself. Anyways, the best club right now, I personally think, is PSG. It's just now that the Ramos transfer thing is also going to be there. So if he gets into PSG, I think they will really win uh, the Champions League. Rishabh, what about you
Okay,
now?
so
No,
uh,
Rishab's there. No, Rishabh ka baki
okay,
hai.
fine,
क्या
fine.
He's
तो
there. Let's just
क्वेश्चन क्या
respect
था
him.
क्वेश्चन क्या था
Yeah, sure, sure.
The best club in the world and the best football country.
Give me 4 clubs, I'll choose from one of them.
Okay, so Rishit, whatever your thing was, let's just ignore him. Rishit, go on. What was the question you had?
So basically, if you're talking about the best, this thing, club which is playing right now, I'll go for Bayern. Even
Bayern.
though I'm a Barca fan, I'll say it's Bayern. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
Barca
not
got
PSG
2-8.
according
I
to me.
completely agree
Yeah,
with
yeah,
Rishit.
ठीक है, ठीक
They have
है.
been
I get it. Yeah,
But
right.
it's still Bayern. They are
Yes, yes,
dominating.
it's
So,
Bayern.
so talking about that, I would have agreed with you, but they haven't won all competitions in Germany also this season, probably because of COVID ka crisis and all that you can say. But the year when they won the Champions League, undoubtedly they won everything, literally everything.
Yeah.
But after
Yeah.
that, one a year they kind of took a step down. That's what I personally think. And only
Yeah.
like in my point of view, from like in today's day and age, there are only two teams that could actually three now that could defeat Bayern, and that's Chelsea, Man City, and PSG. I don't see any other club defeating Bayern at all.
Man
So that's there.
City.
Man City.
I'm not sure.
Okay,
I
but
think
yeah,
it's
it's your
PSG and
point of view.
Chelsea.
Acha, right.
Man City not so much recently. I feel uske
Yeah.
thoda pehle they were quite dominant. Like in
Hmm.
EPL they were
They
very
won the
dominant.
EPL, no? This
Yes,
year.
they did.
Right.
They won, but then after that, the level of it just decreased.
It just
suddenly,
decreased.
you know?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And
Pep
Pep
said.
Guardiola is also making a lot of changes now, right now.
He's
He
been
wants
doing
to
that
bring
for a
in
while.
Sergio Ramos after,
Hmm.
yeah.
It's gonna be tough though. I mean, matlab, they have a huge pocket. That doesn't mean ki they can sign everyone, but yeah,
हाँ.
that's there. So, according to you three, Rishabh, I'm excluding you. I'm sorry. Who's the best footballing manager in today's day and age for a club?
Manager.
Today, matlab not all time, but today, like 2018 से 21 तक, till that time. Rishit, go first.
Nah, I don't know, man. Let me think about it.
Arjun, any idea?
It's either between actually. I heard Zidane was a decent manager
Decent.
for Real Madrid.
Yeah,
I
he
don't,
was a
I don't
good
remember
manager.
actually, but he was like when he started becoming manager.
Right.
Zidane is
Zidane's
the
been-
bald one, na, jo meme aata hai.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I'll choose
yeah,
him. Don't actually trust my answer. So.
No,
Yeah,
but jokes apart, he's actually a great manager. मतलब 3 बार winning the Champions League 3 continuous year में, I don't know when was the last time that happened.
Not only
Zidane did
manager,
that
he was a
respect
great
for it.
player as well.
Footballer also, exactly.
Yes,
For
yes,
France.
Amazing
absolutely.
football.
Yeah,
Amazing.
Let's forget the fact that he threw a World Cup for his country by
Yeah,
the
he
head,
messed
but
it up. He messed it up really
he
bad.
messed that up.
I mean, चल ठीक है. अब one particular instance cannot describe how you are as a player. Now take
Yeah, it
Mbappe as
can't.
an
Exactly.
example.
But he messed
Like-
up real bad. Then.
Right.
They
I
could
mean,
have won the World Cup.
exactly.
Yeah, it was
and
pretty
World Cup-
childish. It was pretty childish.
Acha. I mean, yeah, World Cup always stays back of the head because it's probably all we all can agree is the hardest competition and the most prestigious competition in all
Yeah.
of football, and it's been throughout the history of football.
Absolutely.
Arjun,
The thing is,
Anishit, any idea who's the best manager?
best manager.
Yeah.
See, I don't know the managers' names and all, but if you're but Chelsea's manager right now, Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas Tuchel.
Yeah.
That's what even I was gonna say.
Yeah. He has been incredible.
He's
See,
been incredible.
in Premier League, they barely, got into the top 4. But in Champions League, they were amazing.
Okay.
So according to me, it's him.
Yeah, and you know, like even I agree to it because even with PSG, this was the first time PSG went into a UCL finals, and it is just dumb that they dropped Thomas Tuchel after that. But yeah, it just proves ki how good he is as a tactician. मतलब आधा season हो गया था Chelsea का after that he joined Chelsea and he literally firstly qualified them for Champions League next season and he also won it with them. So that's
Yes.
kudos for him for doing that.
Hmm. I
Right.
like how right now he's using the youngsters as well, you know, and they're
Right.
performing this good and they've even won the Champions League. So now I have
Okay.
high expectations from Chelsea.
Right. And Chelsea's
So,
been one of the greatest clubs of all time. One of the.
Yeah.
They had a time where they were not performing quite well. I think after 2013 to I think recent years,
Hmm.
they weren't performing. But I think it's a good recovery
हाँ मतलब
from
as
Chelsea.
in देखा जाए तो over the time I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 Yeah, actually you're right. Eden Hazard left now. Eden
Hazard.
Hazard left and
Yeah.
all. And
Yeah.
after all that, their performance was really bad.
I know.
But
Even
then
Courtois left. na,
after
Rishit?
he came in as a manager, it just changed.
Yes,
Hmm.
Their whole
absolutely.
team
Right.
changed.
Right.
Their
Visible
performance,
difference.
yeah, it became way better.
Way better.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah.
I feel the best manager is Lau. How to pronounce his name?
The
I don't know.
German
The
manager.
Germany. I feel
Yeah. He
he
retired
has been
now.
amazing throughout. I don't know how many World Cup he's been coaching
4 or
Germany.
5, I guess.
Yeah, something like that. But I feel his performance has been outstanding. There is no coach like him in the entire world.
Hmm.
There's
Who, the
absolutely.
one who won the World Cup
Yeah,
2014, eh?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It is that certain play style, that tap play style, where there is no. I think he has a philosophy of not making players go solo, and teamwork is his strength. So, and I've heard he's quite strict also towards the players, but it has been quite helpful for Germany as a footballing nation.
Yeah.
Personal opinion.
Nah, I would agree to that. But then in 2018 and all, it just,
ठीक है मतलब वो
yeah.
2014 was great for Germany. They were unstoppable. I mean,
Absolutely.
Brazil versus Germany is one of the worst defeats Brazil has ever faced, and
7-1.
we know, like to this point, we know Brazil's been one, if not the greatest and one of the best footballing nations of all time. कितने कप्स जीते हम लोग World Cups?
5, I think 5 or something.
Yeah, is that the
They were
highest?
amazing.
It's the highest,
They were
yes.
in,
Yeah.
First is
yeah.
Brazil, second is Germany,
Yeah.
and third is, I think, Italy or something. I'm not sure.
They were in huge form.
Yeah.
oh, the
I
Pele,
think,
na? They
It's
were
yeah, the
like
just
Pele, the
really
time,
Pele.
I think
Yeah.
Pele won
Argentina
2 or
lost.
something World Cups.
Yeah, Pele won 2 World Cups.
Then
Yeah,
Ronaldinho, I think, also won.
Ronaldinho was there. The Ronaldo of Brazil.
yeah.
R9.
Bro, their
R9.
squad's been one of the
R9.
greatest, literally.
Yep.
Yes, absolutely.
Brazil ka was Pele,
Mm. Right.
R9, Ronaldinho, etc. It was amazing.
So
Spain, the
regarding
squad
the
was also very good.
Spain, yeah, I was
The
gonna get to
midfield
that.
especially.
Iniesta score.
Yes,
Unbelievable. The midfield.
Absolutely.
So
By the
Euros
way,
the prediction.
I was gonna get to that. Predictions of Euro. So basically, talking about nations now, two enormous competitions that are Euros and Copa America going on. We passed round of 16 in Euros and Copa America में round of 8 चल रहा है ना ऋषभ?
नहीं. Now it's quarter.
अच्छा
Quarter
okay,
final.
but थोड़ों का
Okay.
round of अच्छा ठीक है fine. तो wait, quarter is round of 8 only,
हाँ
ना?
round of 8. Yep. My bad.
Ingenious.
हाँ नहीं
हाँ
confused
ठीक
हो
है
गया.
cool. So let's start with guys. What do you think is a harder competition, Copa America or Euros overall? Hriday, go first.
I feel it is Euro. एक तो कोई कोपा अमेरिका देखता नहीं है, first of all.
Let's not say that. Let's not be that rude.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Further, I feel एक तो Europe has more footballing nations than Copa America, and plus Europe has more footballing nations that have been in the World Cup and won the World Cup. So yeah, I definitely feel it's Europe.
Okay.
All the star players, not all the star players, but majority of the star players are brought up all from Europe.
Yeah,
Rishit,
yes, summed it up all.
ये तेरे को भी लगता है
Counter
Euros?
argument to that, I think.
It was really rude saying that nobody watches
No one
Copa
watches.
Yeah,
America.
That's false because
But
It is a fact.
ठीक
It
है.
is a fact.
नहीं, it's
Yeah.
not a fact, Risha. Hriday, मतलब
It's not
comparatively
कि nobody
European
watches
football,
it,
yes.
yeah.
I mean, Euros ज़्यादा देखते हैं. Sorry to interrupt, Rishit, but Euros ज़्यादा देखते हैं Copa America से. But Copa America में two of the like largest football celebrities, as you can say, are there. Messi and Neymar. Both of them are like इतना huge fan following. So we cannot say कि, and plus Argentina and Brazil have been one of the biggest footballing nations for a long time now. So it's not that people don't follow Copa America, it's just that Euro is given more importance, and as you described it, it has harder teams in it.
Yes.
So again, getting to that, we all might at this point agree, right, that winning a Euro is much more difficult than winning a Copa America then, and more important also then, right?
Yes.
More
This will be important in later discussions.
I
can
feel
just say
both are
it's-
equally important because they both are different regions, and the different
Different
regions
play
have
style.
different
Play style.
yeah.
Play style. Yeah, right. So what are your predictions regarding Copa America, by the way? Who's gonna win?
अभी सेमीफाइनल्स में कौन है? इटली
Brazil defeated Chile. अच्छा नहीं, I'm talking about
Yeah.
Copa America.
Euros.
Then Euros.
Oh, you're talking about
Copa.
Copa America. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Brazil versus Chile. Yep, 1-0.
Yeah, they
That
won.
was close. I
Brazil
thought
got
it
a
would
red
be
card
at least
also.
2-0 or some shit.
Boring match था.
They
इतना
won it.
अच्छा नहीं लगा उसको. Yeah.
Okay. So I do have some hope for Argentina now, but okay, fine. Yeah. According to me, it will be Argentina versus Uruguay in semifinals. And semifinals तो एक है, Brazil versus Peru.
Brazil
Brazil
going
will
in
go
the
to the
final.
finals. Yeah, Brazil will go to the finals. And then, based on the records and everything, based on the form also, I guess Argentina will go to the finals. Then finals, I know कि majority of the people are saying Brazil will win.
Yeah, I mean,
But I want Argentina to win. I want Messi to win once and not lose
Agreed.
again in the finals.
Yeah.
Or this will be his fourth time losing
know.
in the finals.
It is devastating actually. मतलब it is actually devastating.
last 2
getting to the
years.
finals. Yeah.
Not last 2 years, right? It has happened.
No.
since
It's not that bad. It's not been that bad. It's not been that bad.
We-
The Argentina के लिए हुआ.
Arjun,
The Virat Kohli coach is also there in
2014
football,
World
by the way.
15-16 Copa America,
हाँ.
19 Copa America, है ना? 3 बार finals, 1 बार semi-finals.
That's right there. I mean,
I know.
you have summed
And
it
then
up for
right
me too.
now, yep.
Even I think कि Brazil is gonna win, but I really want Messi to finally win something out for his nation. मतलब the last time he won something was the Olympics in 2008, if I'm not mistaken.
PT win चाहिए, PT win.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but Brazil ka squad is just too overpowered, and I don't
That's
think
the
that
problem.
Argentina will be able to
But
out.
HR, I think Brazil has just been surviving this tournament. I'm just looking at the
the
matches.
scorecard
They've
and
just been एक goal से लोग जीत रहे, like many matches, except the
they-
match with Peru. I think
Brazil.
they've not been as great.
I mean,
You
But
know,
of course,
uh,
it's still Brazil.
after you're saying this, all the matches where they've scored 4 goals or 3 goals, it's against very, how do I say?
Irrelevant.
not that strong teams. Not
Trash
that strong
teams.
Weak teams.
Trash
Weak
teams.
Yeah.
Relatively.
You guys are
trash,
ruthless. You guys are
relatively.
ruthless.
Relative.
Garbage
Then when it
teams.
comes to like big teams, like when they played against Chile, it was very close, 1-0. है ना? So फिर बाद में I think obviously Argentina will give a tough. It will be a tough match. It will be. But
Personally,
I
for
still
Copa
want
America,
Argentina to win.
I feel I want Argentina to win. First of
Yeah.
all, I feel Messi definitely deserves a title that big for himself because his career has been remarkable except for trophies. So I feel I want Argentina to win.
That is there. Chill. Talking
I
about
just
that,
feel bad about it.
we feel bad
Like,
for even all
As a
of us
Ronaldo
do.
fan, I feel bad about it.
I mean, all of us do feel bad for Messi at this point because he is undoubtedly one of the best players, if not the greatest, in some people's mind,
and the
including mine.
unluckiest player in nationals.
I'll not say unlucky. I'm
Not
not saying
unlucky.
it's not
Yes,
based on
he's-
luck, Rishit. It's not based on luck. It's based on skills. ठीक है अब Higuain ने 2014 में he choked, but Messi considered.
Hey, he didn't choke.
Messi also choked. You
It's
saw
not
that
a
free kick,
one-team
right?
game.
I'm
fam.
just
It's
saying.
not a
I'm just
one-team
saying.
game.
I
It's not
know.
a one-team game.
So
one
Messi is
player game.
basically
That's
as the
all I'm
Kohli
saying.
curse, na?
Yeah.
Kind of.
Something like that. Something like
Yes, you
No,
can.
no,
One of the
actually,
best
you know
players,
what?
but has
Actually,
never
no.
won a
He's
league
won
either.
Champions League, Rishabh. Unlike Kohli, who's never won an IPL.
Stop!
Kohli has never won anything.
भाई, फुटबॉल के बारे में
Okay,
बात करो ना
destroyed.
फुटबॉल के बारे में बात करो इसको छोड़ो
Talking about stop. Okay, talking about football, FIFA is one of the biggest games. Like for a long time, it's been one of the biggest games. But I personally, for me, FIFA का जो arc था, वो now it's just been going down. FIFA
Copy and
15 was the
paste.
last FIFA I actually liked. उसके बाद I didn't play उतना ज़्यादा. Exactly, that is there. But चल ठीक है, what else do you expect from FIFA, Rishabh? You cannot get aliens into it and do all that, na. It's not freaking Fortnite or Valorant. It is supposed to follow a pattern, and they have been. But what I think is that they have been biased regarding FIFA ratings, especially, and fans who play FIFA all around the world every year complain regarding it. Every year. What are your thoughts on that?
Biased in the sense, what are you talking about? Ronaldo and Messi का rating
नहीं,
कि
नहीं,
other
नहीं,
player का rating?
तो जनरली देखा जाए तो ह्यूज क्लब प्लेयर्स का जो रेटिंग है ना वो हमेशा ज्यादा रहता है.
Yeah.
I don't
Regardless of-
actually watch that.
See
It
that.
actually, yeah.
I
But
mean,
then
तू
when you
ट्विटर पे
look at
कभी
it,
देख,
it's very weird. It's
तो
very
कभी
weird.
ट्विटर पे देखो ही. अब बोलते हैं कि
Yeah.
रोनाल्डो का फिजिक मिलर जितना है. Now, do you really think that?
No,
Well,
it's
Muller
not
has
like
been
that
doing
in
karate
FIFA.
kicks and
It's not like
everything.
that in FIFA. If you check the normal cards, then it's not like that. But then informed cards and then all that upgraded wale cards now, then it becomes like a level where Messi ka normal card and Muller ka normal card is basically the same. Like you told. That's the thing. That's with FIFA, that's all. And you were right, 2015 was like, you know,
Till
the
2015 मैं कह रहा हूँ.
yeah, till
और ऊपर से the World Cup years are certainly the best FIFA's. मतलब next year I hope it is going to be good. FIFA
It is
18
going
was
to. I mean, I definitely feel it's going to be one of the best because I think it's one of the last World Cups for an entire leading generation of football
agreed.
and
Yes, yes.
birth of
Yeah.
a upcoming generation.
That may be the last for big players like Ronaldo. I
मतलब-
mean, it's not sure, but like there'll be like 40 by the next time.
How old is Messi, Rishit? 34, right?
34.
हाँ तो he'll play one more
Ronaldo's-
World Cup, I think.
Yeah.
Ronaldo is
Ronaldo's
36, but
36.
But looking at his physique, I think that it won't be his last World Cup. It could be, but I
Yeah.
don't think it will.
Yeah.
Because bhai, he, matlab, even in Euros, I think he's the leading goal scorer in talking about Euros. And matlab, he'll probably win the cup for the highest goal scorer of Euro. And he's played only 4 games, उसमें 5 goal मारा है. Regardless of the fact that he scored 3 penalties. I mean, even his sprint, his counter attack. His
Fernando.
counter attack against Germany was that.
Oh,
हाँ.
Galian wala.
Arey, okay,
Censor.
you gotta censor that, Rishabh. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes.
So Arjun Pissoff, that is there, but his counter attack against Germany was good. That's what I wanna sum it up as. Anyways, getting to that. Sorry, Rishit, again I interrupted you, but let's just move on to what do you think is the hardest league, matlab club league of all time? Oh, actually,
Premier
not
League.
today. Okay, and no, actually, know what? Patch league hai. Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, League One, Bundesliga. Rank them. We'll start with.
Premier League.
Okay,
Oh,
we'll start with
ranking.
you. We'll
Okay.
start with you, then Hriday, and then Arjun, then me. So we'll see
What
how
about me?
balanced it is. I just feel bad.
So
You can watch Virat Kohli cricket highlights.
wait, पांचों league वापस बोल. EPL.
Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, League One, Bundesliga. EPL is of, matlab, just saying to the audience, EPL is of England, La Liga, Spain, Serie A, Italy, League One, France, and Bundesliga, Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
English Premier League first,
Okay.
obviously.
Yeah.
And Bundesliga, nah man. I'll say second is La Liga, third is Serie A, fourth is Bundesliga, and last is La
Yeah,
League.
fifth is the
Same.
Yeah, League
I
One.
have the same
Yeah,
opinion.
I
I
also
and I have the
remember.
exact same.
Is it
But
because
look,
PSG
we
is too
have
dominant?
similar opinions.
That's why
Yeah,
League One
finally.
is so
Now people
Agreed.
will start arguing ki why is La Liga and Serie A का thing ना. I'll tell that मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तो the reason is Juventus has won 8 times in a row continuously.
9, I guess.
Okay?
9.
Yeah, 8 and 9. And this year, finally, there was a
There was
competition.
finally competition. People are getting into Serie
Yeah.
A. That is good to see. But La Liga का चल मैं तेरे को सीधा बोल रहा हूँ. La Liga
It
में if you
has been
see
from the beginning.
हाँ history, look at the history of the Champions League ना कितने सारे La Liga के मतलब बारसा Real Madrid कितनी बार I mean Barca has won 5 times but Real Madrid कितनी बार जीता है.
हाँ भाई मैंने पहले देखा था Sevilla was one of the best teams in La Liga.
Okay, I had no idea about that.
Yeah, they were one of the best. So that's why I give La Liga second.
अच्छा.
And
Yeah.
Bundesliga fourth because
हाँ. Bundesliga में Bayern dominance been there. Dortmund उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है.
yeah, that's what.
Yeah. But talking about La Liga, the three major teams have been, for a long while right now has been Atletico, Real, and Barca. And Real Barca has
Yeah.
been the biggest probably club match every year. That's what I personally think. It
Yes,
is the
yes,
most
yes.
audience view.
Most
But then
anticipated.
people
bro.
always forget about Madrid, Atletico Madrid. But
Yeah.
then they just
mean, this
win
year-
the league out of nowhere.
This year
Yes,
they
sir.
won exactly.
Yeah.
Yes,
It was
they
it
just
was
win
very
it out of
close
nowhere.
though. This
was
year
very
ka
close,
La Liga was so amazing to watch. Definitely, regardless of the injuries and COVID protocol, the La Liga race was amazing. But let's not give credits to EPL and the teams that do qualify every year for EPL because like we can just name 5 teams that are worthy of being 6 teams in fact being qualified.
EPL क्या है यार? Top 9 teams are amazing fan in that.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Top 9, top
Yeah.
10.
I mean they are
They are-
worthy of being in Champions League
Yeah.
rather than teams from League One being in it.
The fact that
Yeah,
either of the
but,
teams can win. Like
Yeah.
either of the top 9.
Exactly.
It's like Leeds United who just came in this year, I guess. Yeah. They can literally face Man City and can beat them. They have that capacity. They can win that, you know. So EPL is just too good. It's too good. Too
Arjun, do
competitive.
you follow EPL or any other league? What league do you follow?
I don't follow
IPL.
the league right now. I used to follow. No.
Guys, Rishabh still in the podcast, guys.
I used to follow La Liga. Like when I used to watch Barcelona matches at 2:30 a.m. or something. But like because of school, I couldn't stay up till 3 a.m.
Mhm.
So I gave
How
up
can
on
you watch a full football match? 90
But did we
minutes.
ask? Did we ask?
Rishabh,
Did we ask?
Rishabh, man.
I don't
How do you
I
watch
understand.
a
should
full
ask your opinion.
cricket
Yesterday's
अरे,
experience?
but
match was
constantly
amazing.
कुछ होता
I
है
watched
ना.
all 90 minutes.
Petition to kick Rishabh out of this meet. Also, it is him. Who's the host?
Sadly, we need him.
Yeah. He needs to record and all that.
What
And
the
then-
hell?
Rishabh will only
Acha.
watch-
Acha, moving on to the next topic because we need to go also for in some time. So basically, especially this season, there's this new wave that's come up about the next Ronaldo and Messi, known as Mbappe and and Erling
Oh,
Haaland.
Haaland.
Yeah.
Haaland.
So what are your thoughts on that? Matlab, regardless of them comparing to Ronaldo, Messi initially, what do you think about them as players?
Okay. Messi and Ronaldo. Okay, so one second. I just want to say this. Both of them have like similar playstyle like Ronaldo.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing.
Yeah, you can't compare them with Messi because their playstyle, Messi ka playstyle is way different.
What the people like in today's generation are trying to say is that they are going to be the next goats. That's what
Yeah, yeah. I'm
they're
just
saying.
telling, comparing
Oh.
them right now with these guys.
Yeah. Go on.
Mbappe though is just too good.
Mbappe,
Mbappe is playing amazing.
see what
Haaland is inconsistent,
is
but
he?
he's amazing as well. He's very good.
I mean, he was the highest goal scorer this season for Champions League.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yes.
But sometimes he doesn't play that good. Mbappe just performs really well each match.
Mbappe की इंजरी हुई ना लेकिन ये सीजन में काफी टाइम के लिए I think he wasn't there against some team, Man City, I guess, ka secondly or something. Yeah,
I think that
he wasn't
happens to
there.
the best of the players, man.
Yeah, I
Injuries and
mean,
all.
Chal, regardless of us clowning him for staying down and calling for reps help, he is an amazing player. But वो कितना ज़्यादा injure होता है. I just feel bad for him at sometimes. But okay, the focus is Mbappe and Holland. Why people consider Mbappe to be the best, matlab, or is he going to be the best? Because he's already won something that Ronaldo and Messi have never won, and probably
Never
they won't
have.
ever again.
Yeah.
The World Cup at the age of 19 is no joke,
Yeah.
regardless of the fact
It's
that
definitely revolutionary.
And
Yeah.
he was very good.
yeah,
It wasn't
matlab,
like he was in the bench
carry
the
ho
whole
gaya.
time. He was
Wait.
amazing in that.
He
Yeah.
Argentina ke against, like, I know hate, but he played so well against Argentina, and then even in finals he scored. The only teenager, as the commentator said, the only teenager who scored in the World Cup after Pele himself. That's Mbappe. And now that people are clowning him regarding his poor performance in Euro, but hota hai yaar. You just cannot be consistent every freaking competition.
True.
So
It
you're
happens to everyone.
talking about that. Do you think if Holland gets into a better club, like let's be honest, Dortmund is not one of the best clubs we've known about. If he gets
Yeah.
into probably Barcelona right now or Chelsea,
No.
Chelsea, let's say
Ha
Chelsea,
ha. Yeah.
and Mbappe is in PSG. So do you think that Holland will perform better because he'll have lots of helping support and all that?
I
Rishabh,
have a lot to
answer.
say about this. I have a lot to say about this. So
Personally, I don't know much about. I don't watch him as much. But I definitely feel because since I've seen a few matches of his, but I feel he will definitely perform with a better team, a better facilities, everything. I feel he will perform. Definitely.
Holland's strength is his physique. Mbappe's strength is his speed. Whether these two ka combination, if they get into one team, then it's madness. I can just hypothetically
obviously.
imagine it. But what I visualize in today's point of view is Holland getting to Barca, Mbappe getting to Real Madrid. Like that would be actually an interesting Clasico to watch twice in a season.
But
That would be
Barcelona
interesting.
is so bad. If you
So they are
remove
down bad.
Messi now, they are so bad.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
I mean,
You can
Without
see
Messi,
the
they can't do shit. No offense, Sam. It's just done. It's over.
Right.
right.
But Holland, जो तू बोला, he's a finisher. Mbappe
Yeah,
even
he-
dribbles. His dribbling
yeah.
is amazing. Like
Amazing.
मैं PSG और बारसा का मैच देखा UCL में, he destroyed the defenders. He literally destroyed them. So I will say Mbappe is better than Holland right now. Right now he is better, according to
Okay.
me.
Yeah, I mean, even victory wise, मान ले अब कह ले PSG, yeah, League One is Farmers League, but he's won everything over there. So he's basically dominated that league. So now getting to that, let's get to the main question. Or is there anything else left? Actually, yeah, one question is left. After that, we'll get to the main topic. Is
Who will
football the
win the
biggest
Euros?
sport in? Nahi,
Yeah,
matlab,
yeah,
we
yeah.
need
It's
to get
easily
that
the biggest
also.
sport. Easily the biggest sport in the world.
Is
Yeah,
football
I
the
would
biggest sport in the world?
Football.
Easily.
easily.
It's watched in every continent.
Every
Yeah.
continent. Abs-
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have teams
But-
from Africa, you have teams from
Uh-huh.
Asia, you have teams from Europe, South
Europe,
America,
South
every
America.
place.
Yeah, that is there, but what I personally think it is not the most entertaining sport to watch.
No
Out of
chance.
it, I think.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. It's not the most
Half the
entertaining.
matches are
Like
very
cricket, like
boring.
in cricket, there could be like a sudden change. Like if there's a wicket,
Ah.
then the game can change.
Why?
Because
Yeah.
things are
Football is not
constantly
really that
happening,
much.
na 6-4 etc. इसमें football में नहीं
Yeah,
होता.
exactly.
नहीं
Yeah.
होता है. That's there.
Okay.
Even basketball, मान ले देख ले, it's interesting to
Basketball
watch.
में there are a lot of
People
points.
freaking
There are
dunking.
crazy number of
Exactly.
points.
Agreed. There are crazy number of points. Then even, matlab, we don't watch Formula One, but it is interesting to watch. According to what is the rank of Formula One in the biggest sports of the world?
It's like
कौन सा है
fifth
वो?
or something. Fifth.
Fifth or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was fifth or sixth.
Yeah, it's
Something
fifth.
like
Yeah.
that.
Fifth.
But I can't watch Formula One. I can't.
I watched
I-
Formula One. I also used to watch it. I watched Formula One. For a
Achha.
I also used to watch it like a long time ago, but
In
I
Formula
don't
One,
know.
it's also a bit interesting. It's like cricket. Like suddenly, like if there's a puncture, the car could just like
Accidents
go,
are
the
very
guy loses.
dangerous.
Yeah.
The accidents, yeah.
Hmm. But I feel one of the most toughest sports. I'm sorry, I'm going off topic, but I feel the most tough sport is definitely F1.
F1.
Yeah.
Reason
Oh,
being,
yeah,
reason
oh
being,
my god.
I think
being
MMA.
a F1 driver is extremely difficult. The
But I think
conditions you
MMA.
are in.
Yeah,
What
you
about
face like 4
the
Gs or
risk
3
you
Gs
take?
on every
Yeah,
corner.
yeah, it's very scary
And you have
also.
to drive at 300
Yeah,
kilometers
yeah,
per
exactly.
hour.
300
Right.
kilometers
On
per.
straight. That's so
That's crazy.
tiring for your body.
Insane.
Bro,
The
even the
suit
bike
also they
one.
wear. The suit
Yeah.
also they wear.
Yeah,
No,
it's so
कोई हवा
hot.
नहीं मिलता, nothing.
No water,
Absolutely
nothing for 2
dry.
hours. Nothing.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's insane.
No, but then
unexpected.
after that, what about American football?
What is that?
American.
Sorry?
Rugby.
Never heard of that
Rugby.
before. Nah.
My
We aren't even getting to it.
No,
It's just,
but
Uh,
it is
MLS
like that,
is
na?
I mean, yeah,
American
it is
football
there,
is
but
very
it's
popular.
only in
देखो बहुत
America.
scholarship मिलता है abroad. America वो सब में.
I'm not talking about popular or that.
No, it is a alright sport. I don't
Yeah,
enjoy it.
Rough.
I feel it's
Rough.
overhyped.
I mean,
It's sort
Yeah,
of.
yeah, I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
it's not that
Yeah.
interesting.
It sucks.
Rough.
All I know
Rough.
about rugby is the
Oh,
mascot.
rough. Okay.
Yeah,
Rugby
I was
will
talking
also
about
American
it's
football
rough.
not below.
Yeah,
Rough
rugby is
style
pretty
is
rough. Yeah,
aggressive.
yeah.
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 It's very
Yeah,
It
rugby
will
is
be very
more
fast.
about
It will be
strategy.
very
It's
fast.
more about strategy. It's a lot about strategy.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Coach matters a lot in rugby, like football. Like he's literally there side by side telling you keep do that. And then if they fail to perform the strategy perfectly, then they will lose the game.
One of the most
It's more about
interesting.
strategy rather than skills. Yeah, it's not about skills.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
much.
One of the most interesting sports to watch is athletics. I think,
हाँ.
like races and all, because
I mean,
जल्दी भी होता.
only in Olympics.
Yeah, of
Otherwise
course.
it's
वो
not-
तो
Yeah,
उतना
yeah.
in depth नहीं जाएगा ना. Of course, yeah.
Yeah, there
Usain
needs to be
Bolt
some,
का
like-
मोनो- Usain
yeah, there
Bolt,
should be
the
some risk.
time he's there.
Yeah,
The
तो
matlab Usain Bolt का for how many Olympics he won? Four continuous Olympics he's come first. I
bro,
guess.
he's
4 or
crazy.
3.
He's
But
amazing.
he retired, right? I think he
Yeah,
retired.
he's retired
he's
now.
retired.
He's retired.
He did it.
Yeah,
Athletes का वही
absolute beast.
drawback है. Athletes का वही drawback है. That's not there
Yeah,
in
they-
football. मतलब
Yeah, and
single
they-
man sport ना. Now you look at it, it is just dependent on you how you perform.
Yeah, it's very.
Football में या basketball में वैसा नहीं है. तो you और cricket में perhaps. So it-
Mhm.
that is one
can cover up.
drawback of solo sport. But it is good, of course.
Hmm.
But in cricket, you can do it once in a while. Matlab, it
See, you can
happen.
single carry, but it doesn't have to that you have to always single carry.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
We had
you
that-
can of course
we had that
carry your
Liverpool
team in
area.
cricket. You make a century, that game's yours. Man of the match. So
Yeah.
that is of course there, but you know teams
But
for the
they
end
don't
of the
expect
day.
you to do
But
that.
still
They
your
expect you
team
to
has
score
to
some
perform.
runs.
Of course, तू
Yeah,
सेंचुरी
correct.
मारेगा तेरा
Still has to
टीम घटिया
perform.
बॉलिंग करके
हाँ,
हारेगा तू गेम.
And if your bowler is
Yeah.
bad, then you basically lose.
That's true.
तो हाँ, by the way तुम लोग
Most of the time game
यूरो
planners
predictions नहीं
follow
डाले. यूरो predictions.
हाँ वही thank you for reminding us, Rishabh. You are actually useful, not really, but okay. Euro predictions. Let's get to that. Hriday, what do you think? Who's gonna win the Euros?
It's a tough one, Rishant, but I feel I hate to say this, but I feel it's England. It kills me saying
England
this,
later.
but
Why does it kill you? I don't understand that.
I somehow
we aren't
don't
getting
like
to that,
It
England.
depends
Yeah.
on Spain.
We aren't
It depends
getting
on
to
how
that.
Spain plays.
It's a gut feeling that I
I
don't
mean,
like.
Spain
Spain
could do quite
clutches.
well. Spain
know.
clutches against Italy. They can
Bro,
easily play
so
on.
there was this meme. Who are they against today? Scotland, right?
Ukraine,
No.
Ukraine,
Who-
Ukraine.
who-
Ukraine.
Ukraine.
So
Ukraine,
when-
Ukraine, yeah, Ukraine.
there was this meme ki winning against Germany and then losing to Ukraine is the most England thing I'll ever witness. Because they always choke chota games and they are amazing against
No,
huge
but in
matches.
this Euro, there have been a lot of major upsets. Like Switzerland
Yeah.
won against
Switzerland
France.
versus freaking France was such an upset.
That
They
was
almost
very
Yeah, that was like
Right.
surprising.
unexpected.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
Yeah, I thought it would be easy like 3-0 win
And-
for France.
And you know, fair play to Hungary also. कितना
Yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
खेले हैं
Yeah, that was so. Yeah, Hungary did
Definitely.
quite well. They were in
They
like
played
the
amazing.
toughest group.
Personally, I
Toughest
thought
group.
Croatia would be very dominant, but just
we thought every big team would be dominant. मतलब we thought
Yeah.
France would be. We thought Croatia
Even
would be.
Germany.
They
Yeah.
weren't.
नहीं Croatia I knew they wouldn't be because UNL उन लोग last year बहुत गंदा खेला है. They lost to Portugal 2 matches, so I knew that they wouldn't be उतना
But
dominant.
like I didn't say anything to Rishant, but like while I was watching their performance in the table, it wasn't great. They just won 1-0 and then 2-2, right? Portugal के सामने draw था.
किसका?
France
Croatia.
का.
नहीं,
France की बात कर रहा है वो. हाँ, they won 1-0, 2-2 and 1-1.
Yeah.
France.
Yeah, they drew with
that was
Hungary.
their score.
But it's a group of death, Rashid. It's a group of death. Literally, the three such amazing teams. एक group में डालोगे, what else do you expect?
Their performance still wasn't as good as their performance was in the World Cup.
Yeah, and we expected it to be better because freaking Benzema is back.
Benzema was amazing though, huh? He
No,
was amazing
initially he
for them.
But in
wasn't.
the starting,
Portugal
Benzema
match
sucked
से he
like the
played quite
first
well.
two
Yeah,
matches.
but he
But
needs to
Benzema
adapt to it,
sucked.
na Arjun. After getting back after
After
so
a long time he was playing, na?
हाँ. अच्छा, let's finish the prediction. Otherwise, we'll again go off topic again. Hriday, you say England. Okay, Rishit, what about you?
Mine is finals England versus Italy and England will.
Okay, you think England will win. Arjun, what about you?
Yeah, I think it'll be England versus Spain, and I'll say Spain gonna win just by like one goal, or it'll go to penalties.
I
Okay.
think Denmark is going to win.
I was gonna say the same thing. No, I'm not even being funny about it. I'm seriously serious. I think that Denmark is really going to win. Matlab,
But they
they've
have to
been
defeat
formed.
England then first.
हाँ,
That's
Today
what
they
we'll
are
have to
winning
see.
against Czech Republic. It's
क्या
fine.
score है अभी currently?
Czech Republic
1-0,
is
1-0.
like a serious team.
Okay. हाँ, so I think Denmark can win or Italy will win. That's what my prediction is.
Ooh.
England
Italy
will
does
win.
have a chance.
It depends.
Denmark will
Italy-
destroy everyone here. Don't worry. Just
That's
watch.
true.
No.
Okay, Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh. Okay.
Imagine if
They'll
UK
be
wins.
Switzerland. They'll be Switzerland.
Yeah.
If UK wins, it'll be so amazing.
Imagine Ukraine. Yeah. मुझे पता भी नहीं है.
Hey.
And the funniest part is
Random
कि
things.
Italy wasn't even in the 2018 World Cup, and now they are playing so well.
Yeah, that's
They
surprising.
didn't qualify.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
No, they
know.
didn't.
They didn't qualify. I
Yeah.
think Croatia
didn't qualify.
qualified or Iceland qualified in that.
Yeah. Right.
It was surprising, but then actually that's why I was telling ki they will lose against Belgium and all. But they were excellent. They
बोला ना मैं
literally
तुझे को
destroyed
कल बोला
Belgium
था.
yesterday.
We were watching the match yesterday and they
Like,
outperformed Belgium. Even technically देखा जाए Portugal also outperformed Belgium. It's just that it was I hate
Yeah,
watching
own
that.
goal.
it was,
No.
I think it was normal. Both played, it was 50-50. ऐसा था.
Rishit, if you look at now, if you want to talk about statistics, look at Portugal versus Belgium का statistics and see.
तू शॉट ऑन टारगेट याद है ये मुटीनियो साला मतलब कितना ऊपर मारा था पता नहीं क्या
Bro,
कर रहा था.
Shout out to
भाई तो
60
I'll
shots तो उसने मारे हो
Yeah,
गए एक भी
जादू.
शॉट ऑन टारगेट
वही तो मैं बेल्जियम और पोर्चुगल का बताता हूँ स्टार्ट्स शॉट्स पोर्चुगल
Yeah.
23.
Portugal 23 shots.
बेल्जियम
And 4
6
shots on
shots on target 4 Belgium, 1 possession, 58
Yeah,
Portugal,
Portugal
42 this.
wasn't good.
Bro,
But the
like
goal by
literally.
the
पोर्चुगल
Hazard was
चोक किया
quite
ना मतलब
amazing.
चोक
The
किया
goal was
Why,
very
why,
sick.
why? Even yesterday's goal by Italy wala guy was so sick. The second goal, it was good to watch. In fact, उन लोग
I didn't
3-0
watch
जीते,
it.
but no, look at the second goal. It was fantastic. मतलब one of the best goals of this round. That's what I think.
Thorgan Hazard ka, according to
Yeah,
me, I
that
guess
goal
will
was
be the best.
yeah.
Bro, that ball just curled.
है ना the बहुत मस्त goal था
हाँ,
वो
it
mid
सीधा
line पे
चला
था
था
ना.
and it just went right. और
Yeah.
goal.
Yeah.
That goal was amazing.
You can't blame the goalkeeper for that.
Yeah. After I saw
I mean,
that,
no
I
one
was
could have
like,
saved
nah,
that,
you can't
literally.
blame the goalkeeper.
It's like the
Yeah.
millimeter goal by the way. Although the curve was much more.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was an amazing shot.
Yeah.
Eden Hazard का भाई है यार. What else do you expect?
The Hazard family.
Hazard.
Hazard probably taking over the world.
अभी तो वो है
Okay,
big
so
debate.
what
Oh,
everyone
was
Big debate.
controversial. Yeah.
So talking
1 minute,
about
Rachel will get fired up.
there are these two players who've taken over world football for the past 18 or 16 years, and Ronaldo and Messi. And there's been this huge debate ever since they first clashed in the Champions League. Who's been a better player? Who's a better player, Ronaldo or Messi? So I know that Hriday thinks that it is Ronaldo. Arjun is Messi fan. Rishit is Messi. So Rishit, would you? And I'm of course Ronaldo. Rishabh don't care.
Rishabh is really Kohli
So
fan.
no. That's good. That's good, Rishabh. Because now that abhi Rishabh, don't be biased now. Be balanced. Rishabh अपने points बोलेगा. I'll tell my points and then you decide that.
No,
which one.
no, not him. Arjun doesn't follow both of them. He just
Arjun just
told
said
that
he's
as a
freaking
joke.
part-time Messi
I said
fan.
part time.
वो
I
joke
used to.
बोला
I
है.
used to. I don't do it
Okay.
now. I don't do it
Okay.
now. I
So
used to. I
he
used
won't
to.
be biased. So
Okay.
he knows more about football, so I want him
Okay.
to tell.
Fine,
Yeah.
fine,
Rishabh is in
fine,
ghosted.
fine.
He doesn't
नहीं
care.
मतलब ऋषभ से भी पूछ लेंगे. मतलब we need some
ऋषभ से
contribution
भी
by him
पूछ
ना.
सकते हैं, but
हाँ,
Arjun
he-
has more idea.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Cool. चल
So
तो
present your points.
हाँ तो firstly नहीं, you know what, Arjun, I wanna ask you, why were you a part-time Messi fan and why did you leave now?
Yeah, I said
Why
I
that?
left because it was like matches were at 3 a.m., 2 a.m. So I couldn't watch them. So I just was like, I don't care about it anymore. And I watched
I
it
mean,
because my
I-
dad brought me like a jersey from Camp Nou for Barcelona.
Okay.
So it was like my first
Oh, wow.
football jersey, which is why
Oh,
I have
अच्छा.
like a sort of sentimental attachment to it.
Okay,
that's nice.
that's cute.
ठीक है. Go on.
That's one hell of a story. Rishit, go
No,
on.
I'm not going first always. ठीक है.
Go first.
Nah.
Okay, so what I personally think, major reason why I think Ronaldo is a better player is because he scored more goals, firstly. Secondly,
है? Okay, ठीक है. Yeah.
secondly,
Go on,
he has dominated world football quite literally throughout different leagues. That is something that players aren't able to do, including Hazard himself. मतलब he was such a great player in Premier League. Now coming to La Liga, he's not been able to perform that well. So talking about world football again, Ronaldo has been a part of 4 teams. 3 of the main leagues were Premier League, La Liga, and Serie A. He's won the Premier League with Manchester United. That is very difficult. Like it's one hell of a task. He's won everything in United, and he won against Chelsea, if I'm not mistaken, 1 year. The Champions League, in second year he lost against Barcelona in the finals of Champions League. Then he switched to Madrid. Madrid mein he's won 4 times the Champions League. He's won La Liga he's won everything over there also. I mean, if I see कि Ronaldo उतनी ज़्यादा बार La Liga नहीं जीता, but Champions League is the hardest competition in club level. That is quite certain. That is agreed over everywhere. And if you wanna talk about it, we know कि Barca has won the Champions League in their history only 5 times, and that's the number of times Ronaldo has won Champions League. That's there. Then now he's in Serie A. So basically, I personally myself thought कि Messi, for a certain time I thought कि Messi is the greatest of all time, but he was what I personally think, Messi is not the now. I think he's not the greatest of all time. The all time comes in because he has not been that consistent over the years. मतलब
Oh,
अरे बोलने दे ना.
Calm down,
Of
Rishabh.
the 2012-11 Messi will never be topped, regardless of the fact. And another thing, by I think that, and again, so talking about Ronaldo, even for Portugal, he lost Euros once against in the finals against, you won't imagine which team and which year. 2006, if I'm not mistaken, he lost against Greece in finals. So that was his first Euro. It was his first Euro, and he lost 1-0
Greece.
against freaking Greece. But it's funny how we are laughing at it now, but Greece also got into
I'm
finals.
sorry. I'm
Greece also got
sorry.
into finals against
That's
Greece.
Germany.
surprising. That's what I'm
That's
saying. How
actually
Greece,
did Greece
surprising.
yeah,
get
yeah.
That's
finals?
But Greece
Greece
won
won.
Euro.
Just search it up if I'm like I'm pretty sure Greece won the Euros in 2006. By the way, against and so yeah. But then again, the 10 years later, you see Portugal winning against France. Like, probably people thought that that was one of the greatest Ronaldo moments of all time. Even Ronaldo himself thinks that. And matlab France, the odds were against Portugal. Pura, like as usual, France is always the more dominant team. And Ronaldo got injured also mid-match. But regardless of that fact, they won the last Euro, due to which it was quite disappointing. Like, they exited quite
That's
early.
first of all,
Uh,
that's the performance of Portugal and not Ronaldo. So
हाँ,
why are
ठीक
you
है. So if
saying
you want to
that?
talk about then पूरा
Just
competition
tell
देख,
कि he
पूरा
won the
पूरा
league,
competition देख,
nah.
पूरा competition देख.
हाँ,
How
तो
many
that's what I'm
goals he
telling. Why
scored?
did you tell कि he got injured?
He got
आपको
injured.
पता है ना
He
he
got
performed
injured.
good.
He got injured, no?
हाँ, I know that, but why
If
did you
he
bring
was
it
there,
over
then
here?
the game would have
If
shaved.
you're talking about individual.
No, the game would have, because football is a team sport, Rishit.
It is a team sport,
तो
and he was
मैं वही तो
clearly
बोल रहा हूँ
very
ना
dominant in the entire tournament.
मैं वही तो
नहीं,
बोल रहा हूँ ना
हाँ, तो
तुमने
listen to
पहले ही
me,
बोल दिया ना कि वो डोमिनेंट था तो फिर बाद में वो एंडिंग का क्यों बोला
because I just wanted to add up some certain
Bias,
Ronaldo
na
thing.
bias.
I'm biased. I'm biased over here. I'm
हाँ
not
हाँ
supposed
ओके
to be
आई
balanced.
फॉरगॉट
Secondly,
हाँ
तो
ठीक
देख,
है ठीक है
हाँ, now talking about Lionel Messi, wonderful player, has 5 times better personality than Ronaldo. I'll accept that. Only drawback, he does not have that sporting mentality. He does not have that sporting mentality, due to which he's got the worst losses for the past 7 years. I hate to see it. I hate to admit it, but he's got the worst losses in Champions League. Then World Football mein, he lost the World Cup. It was shit to watch that. Then Copa America, Rishit knows it. So now if you talk about ki shit teams hai bhai, if he is the greatest of all time according to you, he needs to clutch. He cannot afford to miss a penalty in the finals.
Oh
That's it.
my
Like,
god
yeah.
हाँ चल sporting
And the
mentality का क्या मतलब
last thing, main thing, that that differs these two players are that Messi has never played in any other league, and it is
हाँ
very
ठीक है
very difficult to adjust to any other league, due to which you will say ki Messi has a better goal to game ratio. Man, he's been just in one league. Everyone knows how
yeah
he will perform against these certain teams for these many years. Everyone knows ki Messi is the main player, and Messi is going to, that's what differs Ronaldo and Messi. That's what I think. Go on now.
ठीक है but what did you mean by sporting mentality
Sporting mentality. If Ronaldo is losing, जैसे he was losing. It's a recent example. Juventus versus Atletico Madrid group stages. Probably, if I'm not mistaken, against no, actually no, it was round of 16. Atletico Madrid against 2-0. They lost the first round. Second round, he scores a hat trick. That mentality Messi lacks, because we've seen over the years, regardless of the fact that one comeback when that I recall is against PSG, but he was not. Neymar was the main man over there. That's what I personally thought. Secondly, then against Roma, Bayern, then what other team? Rishit? I don't. इतना अच्छे से Liverpool. These three teams के
लिवरपूल
against. हाँ बोल.
ठीक है सो फर्स्ट लिवरपूल बोला ना तू फर्स्ट मैच क्या हुआ था सेकंड मैच द टीम themselves has to perform निशांत
हाँ
तू खुद ही बोला ना टीम क्या है बोला टीम स्पोर्ट है राइट फुटबॉल
हाँ
इज अ
right
टीम स्पोर्ट
right.
यस so for me basically it's not कि Messi doesn't even try or he doesn't have sporting mentality
हाँ
तूने अगर PSG और बार्सिलोना का मैच देखा होगा इस साल,
देखा
है ना?
हाँ
They lost the first match, ठीक है? Second match में he basically destroyed him, playmaker. He would have been the man of the match easily if they had won. But
हाँ
then Dembele को mess up करना ही था, obviously. He had Dembele had messed up so many shots, and Messi का goal was incredible. That
okay
one. He
हाँ
was
तो
literally trying his best to win, but the
हम्म
team couldn't finish it. They couldn't execute it. Messi can't score 5 goals just to win the whole shit thing.
तो but that is just one match ऋषित and चल
ठीक
ठीक
है,
है अब तू
one
कह
match,
रहा है
रुकना
हाँ
रुकना.
बोल बोल
There has been multiple. तू खुद ही मेरे को बोल,
तू
वर्ल्ड कप
बोल ना
फाइनल्स में क्या बात था? Higuain,
okay I get it that was one
Higuain
match yeah
messed up.
हाँ
और
right
चिली
there
के सामने it had happened once कि he messed up that penalty,
हाँ
and you guys say so much कि oh my god he missed that penalty, that's why we lost. ठीक है,
that
we
was
lost.
not one of
That
the
is
main reasons
one reason. Yes,
not
penalty
हाँ
miss, yeah, and we lost. What
हाँ
about the other 3 times? Huh? He performed very good, but still they lost. That's not because of him. That's because not the whole team didn't perform or they couldn't execute it in the end.
Okay, so Rishit, if you want to see, look at the FIFA ranks all over the time nationally. 2016, mein, that's what I'm saying now. The all odds were against Portugal because no one expected them to win because they had a shitty team. Like everyone would admit that 2020 Portugal was much better than 2016 Portugal. But that's what I'm talking about. That is the Ronaldo is the greatest clutch player of all time. I don't want to listen anything
पर
different.
रोनाल्डो ने
It
क्लच
is
ही
a
नहीं किया
solo
ना
carry.
फाइनल्स में. रोनाल्डो ने क्लच ही नहीं किया फाइनल्स में. क्लच तो वो डिफरेंट प्लेयर ने किया.
But getting to the finals itself, भाई उसने कितने clutches किए?
Bro,
Look at
but
the
Messi brought them
competition.
into the finals of the World Cup.
Did he
In
win?
Copa America has
Did
brought
he
them
win?
multiple
Did
times.
he win?
Why didn't Argentina win then?
हाँ तो
Portugal took that other player clutched up, nah.
तो and Higuain by
Not
the way
Ronaldo.
Has
हम
Portugal
हम
reached the World
Did
Cup
Ronaldo
finals?
score?
no they have won the Euros. That's what I think the second most prestigious thing after World Cup. That's what my opinion is. But हाँ talking about that Higuain के बारे में हम इतना चीज बोल रहे हैं, he was once also a world class player. Don't deny that.
He was a world class
And
player, but
2018
everyone
Argentina.
agrees. Everyone
हाँ
agrees.
हाँ
He messed up so
yeah.
bad in the end.
And then Messi's performance in 2018 World Cup. Talk
Okay,
about
it
that.
was bad.
हाँ
It was bad. Not every time will he perform great for his club.
the
That
country.
year, I guess he performed really bad in La Liga as well.
But
2018
भाई
after 2019, 20.
he
I
needs
don't
to
remember
represent his country. तो
that. He didn't
हाँ
perform
तो
that
that's what
well.
I'm saying.
You are
So
basically saying
जितने
that a player has to be consistent in every single year,
to
every
him
single
becoming the
match.
greatest of all time, every season he needs to be consistent to be considered as the greatest of all time. Is
Oh
my
my
argument.
god, that's
Of course.
crazy,
No,
Rishad.
not
That's
every season,
crazy.
every season, but at least once
Oh
in 2
my.
years, and then continues.
Once,
Yeah, of course.
so you are saying he messed up in every single Copa
No,
America?
I'm not saying
He
that.
played
That is
amazing in
that is
World
sort of
Cup.
flawed.
He
That
played
is sort of
amazing
flawed.
in the first 2 Copa America. 2019 का Copa America Brazil के सामने हारे वो लोग. And
हाँ
this Copa America he has won all the man of the matches.
I know
अभी
that.
तक जो भी मैच
He's been
खेला है
playing
हर
amazing
man
in
of
this.
the match खेला.
That's why I'm also saying now I want him to win because this Copa America, like when we watched Copa America, we were young and we didn't understand football itna zyada. This Copa America, we have seen every freaking match. मतलब World Cup 2018 वाला. That is the first World Cup when we were in our senses. Technically, देखा जाए and we watched football
And Nishant,
and
you
we
are
understood the play.
saying
That's
about
what.
consistency, right? Messi
Yeah.
this year, I guess, you say he's not in his prime. He has won the most man of the matches this year.
Does it matter anymore? I
More
mean,
than
what did he
Leveros.
win? What did he
But you
win?
don't
What
won
did
mind,
he
anything.
win?
right? No, we are
He's won
talking
only
about
one trophy in the
individual
past
here.
3
We are talking
years.
about individual here.
Arey,
You
but the
told me he
thing is,
wasn't consistent. We are not talking about the club or
it
winning.
is
We are
the
talking about
हाँ तो
consistency.
if
He
the
was
player is
consistent.
consistent, so then the club needs to be consistent too. The player needs to make sure the club is consistent. That's what matters. And अगर
Stop,
नहीं नहीं
stop.
नहीं नहीं
Please tell me. Please tell me.
Yep, I knew
Please,
this would come
the
over here.
basically, so you are saying कि Messi has to make the club consistent. Messi has to make the other players perform, है ना?
If
The
he is one of the
defenders.
greatest of all
Messi,
time,
who
then
is
he
the
needs to make his
Messi, who
team
is the
win.
striker, should have the centre backs perform better, as if he's a centre back.
What I'm
Football is
trying
a
to
team game. You
say,
can't say someone is the best
Bhai,
player
nahi,
just
nahi,
for
okay,
like
let's
team
listen
performance
to
player. You
Arjun.
have to
so
just look at
listen
their
to me.
individual
Listen,
performance.
Listen to
That's
me.
it.
Let's listen to
Okay.
Arjun now. Let's
Huh,
listen to
go
Arjun.
on.
Say.
See, you're telling कि Ronaldo, Messi was the best player, and you're not
Out
talking
of
about
both
the
of
team.
them. Out of both of them.
No, no,
Out of both of
Yeah,
them.
listen
so
to
just
it,
so
huh?
for that, just look at their individual stats, their goals, and their basically like goals per matches at that ratio. And whoever's the best is the best player. That's it. You cannot go on to the team. There's a lot of factors there, like who's the best defender in that team, like why is the goalkeeper not as good. So there are more factors in teams. So you can only look at their individual stats if you want to see
Thank you.
who's the best.
Finally.
But then the clutch factor comes in now.
Nishant never
When the-
does
No,
that.
Rishant, that's like another variable. You can't. put your
Rishit, you're
team
always
into it.
blaming the team. You're always blaming Messi's team. If Messi is
No.
the greatest of all time, he has to win.
भाई 2015 तक उसके पहले क्या परफॉर्म कर रहा था?
But
You
the
tell
team
me,
also
you
can't be that
compare-
bad also, na?
you
It's an
compare-
international competition. The team also
हाँ,
can't be bad.
like Arjun said, you tell me that. Nah, so I'm blaming the team, right? That they didn't win any competition.
Yes, and
Talk about
especially.
individual stats. Talk
अरे
about
तो
the individual
हाँ तो
stats.
why is he तू जैसे बारसा के बारे में इतना बोल रहा था initially, why is he still in Barca when you know that every club will accept him? Why is he
Because
still
he
there?
loves the club, fam. He's loyal to it. It's because of the family also. It's
We
because
can't
of his
help it.
family. He's
If he's not
winning.
winning any football,
That's
देख
one of
Arjun,
his
as you
reasons.
mentioned कि football
Ishan,
अभी हम
he
we are
himself
comparing between
mentioned
these.
that.
So what can we do? He's not winning
Because of
shit
his
over there.
family.
Then
हाँ,
how
तो
we
फिर तू
consider him
बोल रहा
to
है
be
क्यों
the
फिर?
greatest?
तू बोल
We
रहा है
can't say he's the
क्यों फिर?
greatest if he's
No,
not
that,
winning.
no,
anything for his
how-
club.
that's sort of flawed. That's sort of flawed. I'll speak from
The
like another
point
sport.
of a football match is to win.
Exactly. It's not
It's to
about
win.
Even
So,
Messi agreed. Okay, you know what, Rishit? You consider him to be the best player. Even he admitted that winning a World Cup is more important than winning 6 or 5 Ballon d'Ors. What about that? अब तू बोलेगा कि why does he care about
Obviously,
that
so
much?
has Ronaldo won a World Cup?
Has
What
Messi
the
won
hell are
anything
you
for his
saying, fam?
nation?
What about R9, Figo, and those all players? Huh?
हाँ तो
What about them?
they are there.
have played in
Maradona has
multiple leagues. They
perhaps
have played in multiple
not the
leagues,
top
but then
players.
they are not the world's best players in the world.
that's why people in
best
Argentina
players in
don't
the
even
world.
consider
Why?
Messi to be the best for his country. People
You
consider
don't
Maradona
consider?
to be better than him, na?
Definitely.
Yeah, of course, people think
Definitely,
Maradona is
because
better than
Maradona's won.
Messi. That's what?
What?
For his nation. Maradona has won
For
2
his
World Cups,
nation,
right? For his
Maradona
nation.
has won 2 World Cups. That's what. That's
Huh?
why they say.
That's
If
what.
Messi would have
That's what
won,
matters
they would have
more.
told कि Messi is better.
He was ready to
Yeah,
give up
but
after he lost
you
Copa
told me-
America.
ना तू इंडिविजुअल के बारे में पहले बात कर रहा था ना, है ना?
तो इंडिविजुअल के बारे में हाँ
That time you told me Ronaldo has played in 4 different leagues. So
Yeah,
has
okay, let's get to
R9,
that.
so has Zidane, so has Ronaldinho, so has many
Huh.
people, and they have performed amazing in each of the
बता
leagues.
जरा please tell the
Why are
stats
they
please
not the
Rishit.
best
नहीं,
players in the world?
हाँ तो please their stats tell their stats ना what all they have won with different clubs. Tell तू
Ronaldo
मुझे एक भी
has
player
so
उनमें से
much-
बता दे.
He has
भाई
won
बोल ना,
in
बोल.
Inter Milan. He has won in Barcelona.
What
I
has he
don't
won? What
remember
has
all the leagues, but he has
हाँ,
won
तो-
many.
Ronaldo is
हाँ,
like
तो-
a
तो-
He has won
explosive
all the
personality.
things over there.
He's very
Ronaldo is-
popular in social
हाँ.
media. इसलिए
Rishit,
it's
if you're
on the
talking,
top.
if you're talking about individual level, the fact that Ronaldo has scored more goals than Messi, and he's
when
above
he's
one of
been
the
in
greatest
different
in the world.
when he's in different leagues, Rishit, that is what we are talking about. Adapting to different leagues is not a cup of tea. Getting to different leagues and scoring. Dybala has been in Juventus for 4 years, and Hriday, can you imagine that Ronaldo, or more in fact, Ronaldo came into Juventus and he scored 100 goals before Dybala.
But I thought the best players should easily adapt to anything.
So why is
Best
Messi not
player should-
shifted?
Messi is not
Then-
adapted. Football is not
why-
only Barcelona and Argentina. Messi has
You
not
don't
adapted.
understand.
We cannot say
Hriday,
Messi can adapt.
I can't believe that you're saying that because the reason he isn't going to any other club is one because of his family. Main
Does
thing
it
is
that-
about his
okay.
family. So now you're saying he should like leave his family alone and just leave.
That is
because he
personal.
hasn't
That
won
is
anything
personal.
for
You can't.
Barcelona.
That is
That's
But we
personal.
can't tell
That's
he's the
so
best, right?
stupid.
We cannot
No,
tell he's the
That's
best.
so stupid.
You
We
Bro,
cannot
cannot say
tell
he's
he's
the
the
greater
best.
than.
just
You
you
cannot say
you
he's
can
the
only
best.
judge them on their goals and goals for matches. You can't judge them on anything else because there are
Goals
other
and
factors
matches,
that play
Ronaldo's
there.
better. Ronaldo
Yeah,
is better. It's a
yeah.
simple Google search.
Okay.
Top
Okay.
goal
अच्छा
scorer in the
आंसर
world.
ठीक है.
You will see Ronaldo in the
ठीक है
list.
सुनना
Wait,
सुनना
wait, wait,
सुनना
wait.
सुनना.
Not
नहीं
goal
नहीं नहीं. You
ratio.
wait for a
नहीं,
second.
leave
No.
the goal ratio. Actually, leave the goal ratio.
Goal and assist
Instagram
बोलेगा
में मैंने
तू.
अभी देखा था. Watch how many goals Ronaldo had scored when he was at the age of 34, and the amount of assists he had on the age of 34.
Yeah, and
बस
what
वो
we did.
बोलते हैं.
Okay, and
then
we'll
you
also see.
compare.
We'll
चल,
also see
मैं मान
who won
लूंगा,
a Ballon
he's
d'Or
better.
when Ronaldo
मैं
was
मान
34.
लूंगा
Who won the Ballon d'Or or 33? Who
मैं
won the
मान
Champions League when Ronaldo was 33? Who won? 30,
Yeah,
31,
who has
32,
more
33
Ballon
में.
d'Ors, kid?
Who has
More Ballon d'Ors. You were
because
talking
it's
about
been
30.
biased.
You were
And it has
talking
been
about the age of
biased.
34.
And
Now
it
why
has
are you
been
going
biased.
back? Who has won more Ballon d'Ors?
I want to ask a question. If winning the final is worth 6 Ballon d'Ors, how much is reaching the final worth?
we cannot categorize it honestly. मतलब and
You
ऊपर से
just
that is
told-
Messi's point of view. That is Messi's point of view. We can't say
That's
कि
not everyone's point of view.
Yeah, okay.
But it's Messi now. It's him, the main man himself.
yeah he
But
himself.
see,
admits
honestly,
now.
every single player in the world would want to win the World Cup, fam. So I
Ah.
think they'll give up their
Yeah,
Ballon d'Ors
that's the
away and win
dream
the
of
World
every
Cup.
Certainly,
Yeah.
certainly. Because the nation is much
I
more
guess the goal is to win the Ballon d'Or. No, I mean the World
World
Cup
Cup.
rather than win the
इसलिए
Ballon d'Or.
इसलिए तो Modric won the Ballon d'Or because he
Yeah.
performed so well
because
for
he was
Croatia.
Exceptionally well. bro.
And he only reached the
Yeah.
final. He didn't.
The most deserving player.
But it wasn't just because he won the क्या बोलते हैं? He reached the finals. It was because I guess he was the best player in the whole competition.
Hmm.
One of the best.
Okay.
Because he didn't win that year, na?
हाँ.
So
And
one of the
Rishit,
best.
I was seeing Ronaldo versus Messi goals का let's like get to a conclusion because it's been a lot of time. Let's get to that. Ronaldo versus
Oh
Messi
wow,
का
1 hour 25 minutes.
yeah probably. नहीं तब से हम join किए थे podcast थोड़ा late चालू
I
किया.
think it's like only 1 hour.
1
I would
hour.
agree with like whatever Rishant and all said, but देख एक चीज है, you can't just say कि अभी अच्छा नहीं खेला, that's why he's not all time great.
ऋषभ
Yeah,
सुन.
exactly.
You
ऋषभ
can't
सुन.
say
मैं तेरे को एक simple question पूछता हूँ, ठीक है?
अरे
Who-
ऋषभ भाई, he has the most golden boots in the history. Messi. So
Because
from I
he's
don't
been with
understand
one club.
consistency किधर आया?
He has been with one club is
अरे,
what I'm trying to
first
Can I
say.
club
compare
golden
another
boot,
sport? Can I
golden
compare
boot,
another
fastest
sport?
Champions League, Copa del Rey,
हाँ, I was
everything,
going to
man.
do that. Rishabh, listen.
Oh.
You've been a cricket fan. Hypothetically speaking, will Kohli be considered the GOAT if he
Yes.
wins the IPL with?
It doesn't
with-
matter
no,
if he
no,
wins the IPL or not.
no,
He's
with three-
see,
with
Kohli
He
can
already
lose
is
every
considered
single
the GOAT.
game in his
Use another
career.
example.
Kohli can lose
Okay,
every
okay.
single game in his
Yeah.
career and still be considered the best.
No, okay. So
That's
Yeah.
the standard he has
Already
set.
considered the
Individual
GOAT.
performance matters.
Yeah,
अरे
he
मेरी
will be
बात
considered the
सुनना.
GOAT even if he loses every
Sorry.
single tournament in his life now
He's
from this
considered
point.
the GOAT.
अच्छा,
What
Rishabh,
is the
सुन.
standard he has set
Sachin
up, the runs he has
Tendulkar is
scored, what
different.
your performance he has
Guys, we
now.
are not getting into cricket here. What I
Sachin
was trying to
Tendulkar is
say.
different
अरे यार,
because he has
Sachin
performed
came
better
into
than Virat
football.
Kohli. No,
हाँ.
he's better. He's known as the GOAT because he has performed better than Kohli right now. But
Kohli can overtake
has
him,
won the
Sachin.
World Cup.
He has the ability to overtake Sachin.
yes, later on Kohli.
But we have to see.
But
Yeah,
अभी जैसा
now
performance देख के लग
slightly
रहा नहीं
old.
है.
Kohli is a bit old now.
Yeah, he's old. Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, he's
And
in
then
his early 30s.
and
हाँ,
and then the
कितने
nation
runs
thing
है
comes in ना.
इसके
अरे
पास?
यार cricket पे आ गए ना. चलो, let's go guys. नहीं, we are talking about football here. Let's not change the topic because we need a conclusion over here. Firstly, and then the nation
क्या
topic
बात.
comes in ना. The nation के लिए the number of goals Messi and Ronaldo का differ है by इतना.
हाँ, वो तो मैं agree
ज़्यादा
करता हूँ
difference.
रिलेशन. मैं
हाँ.
agree करता हूँ.
तो वही
हाँ,
मैं
I
तेरे
know
को
that.
कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेसी
हाँ, मैं तो agree करता हूँ कि Messi has scored less for Argentina and assist का तो I have no idea.
it just listen Rishit,
Because I
being
don't
with
want
different
assist.
players around him just proves that Messi is not able to perform as well as he had with Barcelona players. That's what I'm trying to say. इसलिए that's what differs. Okay, I'll explain in a
आ
better
रहा
way.
आ रहा भाई
Do
यार
you guys
यार
think the number
यार.
1 and 2 are Messi and
understood,
Ronaldo?
no? 100%. That is
then
regardless of the
yeah,
fact
yeah.
that we are dissing Messi and Ronaldo. We both know that both of them are one of the like greatest of all times. Those
We
two.
can't even argue who is better because there are
Because
multiple
हाँ,
things. This
चल
is just
तो
our
No, you
opinions.
can't do anything in
Yeah,
football.
This is our
Everything is a
opinions.
team game. Like if you
right,
want to
right.
score a goal, you have to hope that your teammates passes in a correct manner. If you pass it
Rishabh,
wrong, you
what
won't
we
get a
can
goal.
say
That's not
is
your fault.
we can compare these both guys to Pele and Maradona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
honestly
I
देखा
don't
जाए
think any
उधर
other people.
नहीं but then उधर देखा जाए तो then these two aren't उतना ज़्यादा famous honestly because मतलब उतना
Pele.
ज़्यादा
What
successful
about
because they
Pele?
won the World Cup. Pele's also won 2 World Cups or 3, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
नहीं पर पहले इतना
Even Maradona
post
won.
करता है
These guys
पर
are not
उसका
gonna win a World Cup now
official
in their
नहीं है.
career.
Probably not.
क्या?
They're
No,
gonna
yeah,
play
most
another
likely both of them
next.
aren't. This time we can
What?
say.
What?
2022
Career
man.
win a World Cup.
देख if you know
Both
what's
of them
gonna
won't
happen.
win. Like
If
only one
either
of
of
them
them
will
win now, then the GOAT debate, honestly, it will
It
get
ends.
on
It
that
ends.
side.
It ends.
Yeah,
It's basically
whoever wins
finished.
the World Cup
100%.
becomes the winner.
At that
इसलिए
moment, it
हाँ
will, yeah,
क्योंकि
definitely
even
end.
ऋषित knows अगर 2014 में जो अर्जेंटीना जीती then I wouldn't be able to debate with him इतना ज़्यादा. I would have accepted that Messi is a better player and because
Yeah,
he has
because if
won.
I'm with these guys, so what would have happened, Rishabh, ki these guys say na Ronaldo has won the Euros.
हाँ
Even
He's
if
a
they
बोल सकता है
won
कि he won the
twice,
World Cup. Why are you
but
comparing?
वही.
I would just say, hey, Messi won World Cup. खत्म भाई,
खत्म.
topic ही
Conversation
खत्म.
ends. Finished.
World Cup
Conversation
winner.
Conversation
Finish,
ends.
absolutely.
Exactly. That's how important World Cup is.
That's how-
That's why
The most
that's
important
why
event in
every
every
footballer
sport.
in the world,
No,
they
Yeah.
don't care about Ballon d'Ors or any shit. They really want to win the World Cup.
Yeah.
They'll give up Ballon d'Ors. That's why Messi told he will give up his Ballon d'Ors. But
Yeah.
it's more important than his
Yeah.
Ballon d'Ors.
Hmm.
I
he
guess
doesn't
Ronaldo
care
will
about being the
also
best.
agree.
He cares
If-
that he cares to win.
If it's asked,
Wants
Ronaldo
to
will
win the
also
World Cup.
agree. Anyone will agree.
हाँ.
ऐसा
तो
हुआ है कि बहुत
Rishabh,
अच्छा
But I
Indian team
like
जीता है
the
World Cup.
cricket का topic यार. I like the cricket का topic.
That's
हाँ,
what.
नहीं,
That's
I'm
another
getting to
time.
that.
That's
I'm
for another
getting to
time.
that.
One more
Rishabh,
episode.
listen.
Rishit can come
तो
back.
मान ले
possibly.
3 डिफरेंट लीग्स है बहुत अच्छे कॉम्पिटिशन है क्रिकेट में हाइपोथेटिकली स्पीकिंग एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत बड़ा लीग है आईपीएल की तरह आई थिंक अभी है भी वैसे
BBL.
भी हाँ
And
एक
अभी Cash League.
एक साउथ अफ्रीका में
It's like
बहुत
a
अच्छा लीग
Walmart
है
version.
बहुत बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं
और कैरिबियन
और-
में भी है.
और एक इंडिया में है ठीक
Yeah.
है व्हाट आई एम
IPL.
ट्राइंग टू से इज 10 साल में अगर रोहित शर्मा में कोहली का नहीं लूंगा वरना तू चढ़ जाएगा रोहित शर्मा अगर सुन रोहित शर्मा अगर 10 साल एक लीग मतलब आईपीएल में रहा और 6 कंपटीशन 10 साल में जीता या तीनों लीग में ट्रैवल किया और 5 कंपटीशन जीता तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज मोर व्हाट डू यू थिंक विल बी बेटर विनिंग 5
I
competitions
don't
in
think
3
it
different
matters because cricket में ना the
अरे
reason
भाई,
I
IPL is
was-
the
It
toughest.
depends. It
IPL is
depends
the
on
toughest.
how if they're on the same
बाकी
level or
पास
not.
में
It
भी
depends on
नहीं,
if they're the
crash
same
हो
level.
सकता
Yeah, it depends.
Because अगर से
हाँ.
साउथ अफ्रीका में easy है तो कोई point नहीं है जीतने
I know,
का.
exactly.
But Rishant, in
Mhm.
this it changes because cricket is different.
वही तो इशू है तो तू और कोई
Cricket
स्पोर्ट
is
कंपैरिजन के लिए
different
नहीं
than,
है
इसलिए
Yeah,
sport
yeah.
comparison बहुत hard होता है ना.
वही
We can't
रोनाल्डो
say
जीता है
कि
क्या
cricket has
Premier League कभी?
different
हाँ
leagues.
जीता है वो
कितने बार जीता है?
क्योंकि
एक
देख
2
ना,
साल था वो उसमें से एक साल
दोनों
जीता
बार
है
जीता?
वो एक बार जीता
क्या नाम है Rishant?
हाँ.
Pollard.
हाँ
He has
Kevin
won
Pollard.
ना.
Yeah, he has won.
He
He's
was
one,
the
but I
Caribbean
wouldn't
वाला
say
भी
he's a
जीता
better
वो.
player
And he
than
also
any
won
other.
IPL.
Yeah, but we can't say he's a
It-
better
the
player.
cricket is very
Because
different to
cricket-
compare.
cricket
Cricket
is
is
very
different to compare.
different exactly
Cricket
Yeah,
में you can
cricket
compare
में-
captains. You can't compare individual players. उतना.
so what I think that the conclude by the way Rishit and I've been fighting regarding this topic since 7 because it's
अरे
entertaining
बहुत
but-
argument होता
हाँ
है इससे,
बट
बहुत
बट
परेशान
बट
होता है.
हाँ और थैंकफुली इस बार हमने बहुत ज्यादा स्वेर नहीं किया खाली 2 ऋषभ को करना पड़ेगा
Yeah.
and this is the
Minecraft
longest
oof
episode
sound डाल दे,
also by the
Minecraft
way
oof वाला.
हाँ तो ठीक है तो what we've agreed to I think Hriday and Arjun and you guys can also talk about it is कि Messi is the better playmaker Ronaldo is the better finisher that's what
अरे
Rishit
रे
and I-
भाई मैं तो यही बोलने वाला था. I was
Wait, that's
actually
what-
going to
that
say
is our
Messi.
conclusion.
Yeah, Messi
That
is
is our
known for his
conclusion.
like 1v5 with defenders.
आराम से he is the
And
best
Ronaldo is known for
dribbler
his powerful like
Yeah.
shots, like the free
Yeah.
kick वाले में goal. It's all.
Not dribbler. He's the
Messi is a-
best playmaker.
assist मानिए assister कैसे कह सकता है
अरे हाँ playmaker ही था.
Wing वाला ना,
Playmaker.
you're talking about wing.
हाँ,
Wing पे
हाँ.
खेलता है
Agreed.
Messi.
Point
हाँ.
agreed.
that is what we think and now as we said कि we
अरे
cannot compare
पर
different
Messi के
positions
free
in
kicks are
football
so fucking amazing.
yep
Okay,
third
now
swear
I'm so sorry. I'm so
Now
sorry.
to go back to square one.
He
अरे
didn't
one more,
I don't
one
care.
more to censor.
हाँ
But
So
it's
basically, we've concluded that the
amazing.
best football player is Neymar, nah?
Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Bro, he's the goat.
A guy who didn't even know which nation he
Bro,
belongs
he has
to
given
is
so many
saying
yellow
good
Yes.
things.
cards after him.
Let's go.
Acha, chalo, so well, I guess that's pretty much it for this episode. I mean, we covered everything we thought about, and this is the longest episode yet. So thank you for
Okay,
watching
bye.
Insomniac,
Yeah, high
and
five.
we'll watch y'all. We'll what? No, we'll
Watch
get
it,
back
watch
to
it.
y'all
We
soon.
watch it through your cameras.
Follow us on Instagram.
I know what
Subscribe
you're
to us
doing
on
right now.
YouTube. Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Subscribe us on YouTube. Thanks for listening, watching, and see you all soon. Bye.
Nobody does it. Nobody does that. Okay.
Bye.